What are plastic gyres? Gyres are just naturally occurring circular current systems caused by the Earth's rotation, wind and weather. What's not so natural is the vast quantities of plastic that accumulate within them. We have 5 major gyres on Earth, and each one has its own rubbish patch. People believe them to be similar to islands, with all the characteristics of a floating landmass. This is incorrect. Instead, it's simply a very high concentration of plastic. Consider it like a plastic soup. The footprint of these concentrations can be thousands of square kilometres. When the plastic accumulates into large patches, it has a detrimental impact on ecosystems as well as marine mammals and seabirds who ingest it, or worse, become entangled in the plastic. There is no silver bullet for this issue. Solving it requires a combined effort of stopping the further accumulation of plastic at source and cleaning up what is there already. Be the solution you want to see. Join Clean Coasts today.